Welcome to my tutorial on how to make pony bead stud earrings. But wait, if you don't want to make these earrings, you can buy them in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. For this tutorial, you will need pony beads, E6000 glue, and earring stud backings. So first off, spread out a bunch of pony beads on a baking sheet and make sure there's parchment paper. Then set the oven to 425. Make sure you have a lot of different pony beads because some of them melt really badly. So you gotta pick out the good ones and pair them up with each other. Close the oven. That will bake for 12 minutes, but you may want to be checking on it just in case your oven is different than mine.
Woohoo! They be baking!
If you want to, you can wave at them while they bake.
12 minutes later.
They are all nice and flat. They turn into this really nice disc shape with a completely flat backing, and it's perfect for mounting on an earring stud. It's kind of like a miracle.
Get your earring backings out because it's time to glue.
Oh, and make sure the glue goes on the flat side of the earring. I just put a tiny bit on because I don't want it to spread everywhere and leak and stick to my life. And see, you just plop that earring backing right on that flat part of the bead. And there you have it, you're all done. Here's a random picture of them before I put the posts on. I don't know why that's there. And here's the finished product. Do you think this is exciting? I do. I don't know why, but I like them. Thanks for watching. Bye.